Morning students, myself Harpreet Kaur. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start our chapter number 2 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is articles and its type. So first of all I will give you the definition of articles. So what are articles? The words a, an and the are known as articles, and they are of two types. First one is indefinite articles and second one is definite articles. Now let's discuss about indefinite and definite articles. Indefinite articles a and an are called indefinite articles because they don't refer to any specific person or thing. Means they even don't talk about a particular person or thing. So definite articles. The articles the is called a definite article because it refers, as it is totally opposite from indefinite article. In this it refers to a specific person or thing, whether indefinite articles they don't refer to any specific person or thing. Now where we will use indefinite articles. So first of all, before singular countable nouns we will use indefinite articles, which are indefinite articles a and an. We will use a or an before countable nouns like a table, a chair, a pen, a book, a pencil, etc. Before a singular countable nouns that is being referred to for the first time. Suppose we are talking about the thing first time. So there we will also use indefinite article. Would you like to read a book? He has got a job. Now next one is before the names of job, like a waiter, where we will use indefinite articles before the names of jobs, like a teacher, a waiter, a doctor, an engineer, etc. All these comes under the category of indefinite articles. With the nationalities and religions, if we talk about nationalist or religions, then we will use indefinite articles an and a. An American, a Christian. With singular nouns after the words what and such, if there is any word in what or such with singular nouns, then we will use a indefinite article. What a beautiful day, what a lovely beach. While referring to a single, if we are talking about a single unit of measurement of time, weight and distance. For example, she can run a kilometer in 5 minutes. She will be back in an hour. So in this we will use indefinite articles. Now come to the definite articles. Definite articles, they are used before proper nouns like the names of rivers, seas, oceans and mountain ranges. Definite article means the use of the. So like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Tibet Mountain, the Tibet Mountain, the Himalayas, etc. So before the names of newspapers and holy books, the Bible, the Gita, the Tribune, the English Tribune, the Hindustan Times, means before the names of newspapers and holy books. Next is before the names of famous buildings like the Taj Mahal, the Golden Temple, etc. With superlative and ordinal numbers. Superlative means with the superlative degrees, and ordinal numbers like the 16th, the 17th, the 18th. Superlative degrees, the biggest, the tallest, the largest. Now come to the next point. To refer to people or objects that are unique. Then we talk about the people or objects which are unique. The sun, the moon. With these we will use the definite article. With adjectives. Adjective means which tells you the quality of someone or something, which refer to a whole group of people, the brave, the rich, the poor, etc. Again we will use the definite article with decades or centuries, like the 17s, the 1800s, means with the decades or the centuries we will use definite articles. And with family names we will use definite article with family names also, like the Sharmas, the Rais, the Gills, any. Next one is, so where not to use articles, means in the previous we talk about the where to use articles. Now I am going to tell you where not to use articles. Before the names of people, we will never use any article before the name of a person. The Ram, the Sham, we will never use. Before the languages, suppose we are talking about the English, the Punjabi, no. No, we will never use the any article before languages. Before abstract ideas or nouns, like if you talk about bravery, strength, honesty, we will never use any article before abstract nouns or ideas. Then before sports, the cricket, the football, no, we will never use any article before these sports. Before the names of subjects like the English, the Punjabi, the Hindi, no, we will never use this. We will never use any article before the subjects. Before expressions such as by train, by bus, all day, etc., we will never use articles. We will never use any article before any expressions like by the train, by the bus, all day, etc. I hope you have understood. Thanks. Have a nice day.